I'd put at least a mil dot on if I were you. Short, Simon.
I had to go to the right. Right. That nearly told me not to come. I can see where it comes from. Tell us where it's a pretty look at it on
There you go. Got it.
You did a little bit higher.
So that's close on your first zero, so it's a fair distance, there is. And that's empty.
They don't last very long, these
You
ones.
should have some sort of system that tells you to get in a lot with one shot.
Pull a mill over. No, you need to go a bit over, I think.
That was half over.
Wait.
Sometimes it's very deceiving.
I can't, it's working now.
Even on some of the long shots.
It's a fair distance, though.
If
Yeah.
it's between say 1 and 3
I thought
quarters,
it'd only be off, but it's not.
sometimes they're that off and then you miss it.
Yeah. Well, you did.
Everything switched off and cap open and lit up. Something on the sense of that.
Oh, sure.
You can have play with it. If I send it back, I don't think it's good, but it used to be good. What I used to like about that, the scope cap got like a pin on it. It's that small, it's got say a 1 mm hole. Where the beauty is, but even as close as your shoes, if you focus say to that tree, you could close the cap, and then you could scan within a couple of feet away. You could see you feel the vision was very minimal, but you could see, and then you knew to just go and move that over.
T-shirt today, where's it come out? A bit hot. It is a bit hot.
What I've got now, I can't
you.
do. I'll bring it next time. It's only runs on its own.
Good. Shot, Simon. That was delayed, yeah. I think you probably split the pellet on that one.
You're getting better every week, son. Can you see the cells open there?
I think I can hold the camera still long enough out there, crikey. This is difficult. Oh, shot. That is a long way off. Well done, Simon.
He's doing well today because he got that throw.
That is a fair distance off. I can't see what the woman is.
I can see that through the tree, through the bush.
I can see the clay, but I can't see the through.
Oh, was the crow on the grass there?
Squirrel, I can't see the kill zone on it. On that throw, it looks like there's 2 plates on it. Looks like there's an inner circle and an outer circle.
And a magic circle. Yeah, it's
Well,
the magic circle you've got to hit.
Yeah, but which one?
No, I think it's just that, yeah, looking at this, it's the paint,
black.
the paint that's come off. It's a kind of, it's a large kill zone.
Yeah, I just aimed for the middle, but
Yeah.
the first shot, you threw the twigs, and I was trying to hit just a little black bit, but whether I don't know.
Oh, maybe not. Need to try and get Carol on that bloody squirrel now. That's so difficult, all the cameras still so far away.
Black, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, when you shoot it though, you see a nice big white disc in the middle.
A laser or a tight beam torch.
If I zoom in any more, I'll be able to see it, but I won't be able to hold the camera
No.
still at all.
I'm surprised you can zoom in that far.
It'll go much further than this. Yeah, bloody hell, that's all I needed.
I'd call it.
Yeah, shot.
Yeah,
Well done.
it's going too high.
And, that is a long way off. Well done on that
Long
one.
way, but it's just getting it dead right, isn't it? I was doing 2.5. I think I even got a 3 at one point. But
You got it, that's the main thing.
and I got that one. I'm doing quite well for long ones today.
You have to. You have to for long ones. Like I say, you've got to do well for long ones today because they're all long ones. There you go. One down. That was high.
Was that high?
That was above it.
I think I took every shot too high then.
There you go.
Just 1 mil that I was good in it.
Yeah.
There's a slap.
Good
Shot,
one.
good shot.
I think that was low. That's out of in. Oh, that one.
And that one.
Huh.
I'm just going to pull them back up.
Yeah, I can't see that one. So I'm gonna let one down.
On that one.
I just caught that one going down. Why didn't catch the crow? Well, the other crow. There you go. Great. Oh, just behind us, all the grass come up.
You can see can't you, where the ground's been hit, you know, behind,
Yeah.
directly behind, about 3 foot behind it,
Yeah.
where everything's.
Been bouncing.
Oh, straight past.
It's quiet, that isn't it? Sounds more like almost a drum.
Am I wasting my footage now then, like?
Wasting the footage now.
For which one?
Probably it's still anyway.
Lollipop. Oh, nice shot for you, Simon. Well done.
Got it.
Yeah, I can see it now.
I'll shoot it again then.
Someone's got to shoot it again, otherwise just wasting
Shoot
food.
it again.
Yeah, good shot. Steady on time, and I don't believe they're there.
Well, I've done it free-handed, but it's a big kill zone in it.
Oh, well done.
I'm not sure if that was high or low, Simon. Did that catch the cord?
Pardon?
Did that catch the cord?
Not as a...
I couldn't tell whether the... Oh, well done. Oh, well, Mrs. Tinkan gets it.
Freehand as well.
Freehand.
Excellent.
Well done. No good, Simon's got to do it now.
You will. He's already done it once.
Yeah.
Right,
Twice now.
3, that's 3. I did
3 times, freehand.
4, yeah, but not with 3 shots.
Who cares? You got it.
We'll just add another 3. 32.
Yeah, but wait, say that. Another diamond, are you want?
Yeah. If I hit to find that diamond. Got it?
Yeah.
Pull that one.
Shot.
Now the little lollipop. Hang on, I ain't found the lollipop yet. It's got to be there
Really
somewhere.
over top.
I pulled the trigger. I couldn't tell whether there was a pellet in the breech or not.
Shot.
Just shoot it where Simon did.
I went 1 mil that over on that.
Is that over the top or
Under it. Well, it's called hold over, it's over, isn't it?
Hold over it, all the lines below the horizontal.
I wonder. I tried it before and I was off.
There you go.
And then off. One more.
Is that long?
Have you found it, Karen? Just to show him up, you found it
Just
straight
a minute,
away.
yeah.
Shot. Straight down.
That's a dead-on shot, that is. Well, I thought it was. Yeah, I found it was.
Before me.
Come on, babe.
I'm just shooting willy-nilly at you now.
Sorry.
Show off. Stay there, Simon, while I just aim at your head.
Let me take my hat off.
Okay, so Simon's proved it can be got.
Yeah. I thought that one was pretty easy, actually. I'm giving the give up holding this camera, innit?
Yeah.